poor guy with Blackstone. Mr. Good Looking is cooking. Alright, so we're doing AM crunch wraps. Hold on, I got a car going by. We're going to do what we call AM crunch wraps. You probably heard about them at Taco Bell. We have our own version of them. It's actually, we're going to have them for supper. It's kind of a simple recipe. We use frozen hash browns, some sausage. We have some bacon in the house. Actually, it's just great value microwave bacon. And what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and cook these out here first. And then my wife is actually the one that assembles them. So instead of boring you while I cook and mess things up, we're going to do it in different sections. But I wanted to show you what I had going on here first. The sausage is doing all good already. Hash browns and oil. And we're going to cover this up. Let me grab my lid. So those cook faster. And once we get done getting this ready, we will take you into the house, and hopefully my wife will agree to at least let us see her hands while she assembles them. Well, actually, before that, rewind. I'm going to do 4 fried eggs out here because we're going to do 4 of the AM crunch wraps. So in the AM crunch wraps, we like to use the Frito-Lay cheddar jalapeno cheese sauce. We put that on the tortilla first, and then cheese, hash brown, egg, bacon, or sausage, whichever you prefer. Wrap them all up, and then I'll bring them out here, throw them on the Blackstone. And I got a couple of real cast iron pans plus this, and we use those to weight them down to make them nice and flat and crispy on both sides. So that's what we're going to attempt to do today. First time doing it on the Blackstone. Normally we were just kind of forced to do one at a time in the house on a cast iron pan that we use. So this is a little exciting. I could probably, once I remove all this, could probably do all 4 at once, which is good, so everyone will get a nice hot one when we're ready to eat. So as soon as this stuff cooks up, I'll go ahead, crack some eggs, and then we'll get back to the video when I'm doing the eggs. All right, be back soon. Okay, we're back. Sausage is cooked. It was already fully cooked sausage anyway. In my last video I explained you can buy these covers. They cost a fortune, you know, especially Blackstone, but the Blackstone ones. So this is an upside down cake pan. I drilled some holes in there. Got a couple like handles for, you know, a dresser or something, and just put them on there. So it actually works pretty well. First time I attempted these hash browns on here, they kind of fell apart. So I got a little bit more patient with them and just kind of left them there, and they're doing very well. I squirted some water around it periodically, and they're pretty. Actually, I'm going to turn that off. So that's off. This is medium low. And so I'm going to go ahead and start the eggs. I'm just going to do 4 fried eggs. They're not going to be pretty, but they're going in a crunch wrap. So I'm going to do some butter because I like buttery eggs. Who doesn't? Okay. We'll grab the eggs. And let's get these going. These are going to cook up fast, obviously. Dang it. I'm not good at cracking eggs.
I'm not either.
Folks, breakfast is not my forte. I'm a burger, sausage kind of guy. Now tomorrow we're going to do our famous chicken quesadillas on the Blackstone. We have some company coming over, and I'm gonna cook them. But I actually got some steak, some sirloin steak, and we're trying those out tomorrow too. So that'll be interesting. The chicken, I'm not sure. We might just do a simple video like we're doing today and show you how we prepare quesadillas. I'm just so excited to have this 36-inch Blackstone because in the past, like these AM crunch wraps, we've had to do one at a time, and some of these would end up getting cold because we like to wait for other people to eat. Now we can do 4, 5, 6 at a time, so that's good stuff. So I got that turned off. Sausage is cooked. Just gonna flip my eggs. We're gonna bring everything in the house, have my wife assemble them, and then we'll meet back out here to show you the final touches. Thanks for watching.
Well,
All right, folks, we're back in the house assembling our AM crunch wraps in the PM. We have my lovely assistant wife, Dawn. Those are her hands. That's all you get to see. So she heated up the tortilla in the microwave for a little bit just to make it soft and pliable. And what do we start with? We start
Cheese
with
sauce.
the delicious Fritos made by Frito-Lay jalapeno and cheddar cheese sauce. We lay that down there, nice and nice. Next, we have some great value because we're poor. Fiesta blend cheese. Use any kind of cheese. Use any kind of cheese sauce, or don't use either one. Then we got our great value hash brown right in the middle. And we have some bacon, great value microwaved bacon, because it's easy and we're hungry and we just want to eat. And there's a fried egg. I made those. Some more cheese. And fold it. Now we don't fold them all fancy like Taco Bell, but you know what? Those are awesome. Now we're going to do 4 of them total. And then we'll meet you back outside in the Blackstone and show you how we finish these off.
one.
All right, we're back for our last, final segment of AM Crunch Wraps in the PM by the poor guy with Blackstone. All right, this is what we came up with. You saw how my wife prepared these. We're gonna lay them down. How do we know which one has sausage?
I guess we'll figure it
Well,
out.
one of these have sausage in it,
I think it was that one.
and
We'll just have to cut it open.
this one has actually Frank's Red Hot on it. I love Frank's, but I don't like them on AM Crunch Wraps for some reason. So there they are. We do only have 3 cast iron because we use these to flatten them out. So we're gonna do that. And we're just gonna have to switch them around. And we got that. Ow. And we got the little one for the smash burgers, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So they're gonna sit there for a little bit. I only have on these 2 burners, so I have them on about medium high. This shouldn't take long. All you're really doing is warming up the tortilla and getting it a little bit brown, and then they'll be done. My wife's got me these, so I got my 14 and 16 inch tongs. She actually orders so much from Amazon that we got these for free. So yeah, God love her. And for the summertime, this is the
I think you just call it
the
salt.
bug assault. You've seen these. Cock it, like the safety. There's no flies right now. Shoots out salt. That's a whole lot of fun. Just so you know. But it is beginning of January and there's not a ton of flies right now, so we're good with that. Alright, so instead of boring you again, what I'm trying to do is shorten up my videos a little bit because first 2 were pretty long and I think it just gets boring. Listen to me ramble on, trying to find things to say. So when these are completely done, we'll show you what the final product looks like and then we're going to go in and eat them. So see you soon.
One.
There they are. They're done. You can see all we did was cast iron, kind of flatten them out. Got them nice and golden brown. They're ready to eat. You cut them open, you're going to see the same thing you saw before when she was preparing them. So, thanks for watching. It'd be great if somebody actually did watch it and liked it and subscribed. That'd be awesome. Thank you again. Have a good one.